Hello, we're here at SLE Equipment today to look at this 30-foot mega ramp trailer. Starting off with the front, we'll see our safety pin, breakaway cable. We'll have our safety chains, the gooseneck connection. Now on the front of this trailer, it does have a storage basket on the front. Good for chains and other miscellaneous tie-down options that you might need. We've got our hand crank jack in the front, and the legs are adjustable. So these legs do have holes on them. You'll just pretty much pull this pin out, and then once you adjust it, adjust one side, the other side, and then get it how you need it. We do have tie down rings on the trailer. There are going to be stake pockets all the way down. There's a step up area. The lights on the trailers are going to be LED. Of course, we've got our safety tape. Safety tape's really cool. It's got the branded trailer on there, Gorilla Trailers on it. It is a little hard to capture this trailer on camera because it is very large. I'll back up here. It is a deckover, so the deck is over the axles. We do have 10K axles on the trailer. Take the wheels. They are steel wheels. The deck is comprised of pressure treated wood. This unit is considered a mega ramp. So it has these large ramps on the back, as you can see. And you've got spring assist on them, which is really nice. Back end is sloped to allow for loading and unloading. For the ramps, there's additional clamp here to help hold and secure them. So as we have our tie down points on the back end on here as well. Going down this side, it's about the same as the other. We got a metal plate over the wheel well area. Let's see the other side of the jack. The jack on the other side with the handle, it'll control both sides going up. If you have any additional questions on this trailer, please feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720. We'll be happy to assist you here at SLE. Thank you. Have a nice day.